I'm going to show you how to update the address for your California LLC. I'm Ginny Silver. I'm the founder of the California Entrepreneur Collective and author for Entrepreneur Media. If you own a California LLC, then you are required to have 3 different addresses in your registrations. This is your business physical address, your business mailing address, and your registered agent's address. If one of these 3 addresses needs to be updated, then it's not just a simple one and done form. There are several different places you need to make sure are updated with the proper information. I'm going to show you exactly how to update these so that you can change your business address. First up is updating your statement of information with the California Secretary of State. The California Secretary of State's website has a business lookup tool. You are going to search and locate your business on this website. Over on the right-hand side, you are going to log into the account for that business. If you don't already have access to that online account, then you're going to request access and provide the information requested there so that you can control that account. If you're able to log into that Secretary of State business account, then you're going to file a new statement of information. Statements of information are generally due biannually every other year, and there's typically a $20 fee when you file your statement of information. However, if you have a change in your business information, you can file an updated statement of information at any time at no charge typically. Number 2 is updating the information on your business license. In the state of California, most cities are going to require you to hold a business license in order to conduct business within that city, even if you're a registered limited liability company. If you don't remember how to contact the office that issued you your business license, then go to calgold.ca.gov. Here you'll be able to enter in your industry and your location and locate the specific office, website, and contact information for the office that issues business licenses. Next is updating any DBAs that you have on file. As an LLC, you already have a registered LLC business name, so many of you may not have registered a separate DBA. But as an LLC, you have the option to register additional doing business as names under that one LLC umbrella. So many of you may be operating several different brands of your business using different DBAs. Make sure that you contact your county clerk recorder's office and update the information associated with any DBAs that you have registered. Once again, use calgold.ca.gov if you do not know how to locate your county clerk recorder's office. Next, make sure that you update your operating agreement. LLCs are required to hold an operating agreement which outlines the basics of all of their business operations. This is required to be true and correct and updated in order to have your LLC protections hold up in court. Make sure that all documentation is updated. Next is updating your EIN with the IRS. LLCs are required to have an employer identification number obtained from irs.gov. Form 8822B allows you to update that information with the IRS. Next is your business bank account. LLCs are required to have a separate business bank account, and when you open that bank account, you are required to provide your business's address. Contact your bank and change that address. Next is your seller's permit. If your business holds a California seller's permit through the CDTFA, then you are going to be required to change your address there. Changing an address with the CDTFA depends on if you are changing your business's physical address or your mailing address. Changing a mailing address is much simpler. You can simply fill out a form and change it quickly. But if you are changing a business physical address, then you are going to need to close out that previous address and open a new location. Next, if your business holds insurance, such as business property insurance, general liability insurance, errors and omission insurance, or any other type, then contact your insurance agent and update your address. Lastly, update any online presence that you have that shares your business address. This is going to include things like your Google business listing, your review sites listings, your website, and any other online presence so that clients and customers can accurately locate you and contact you.